Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the richness of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Let's jump into our word of the day, analysis. Analysis is a noun that refers to a detailed examination of something to understand it. This is a handy word to know, especially for students, professionals, or anyone who loves to explore things in depth. When we talk about analysis, we're describing the process of breaking something down into its parts to understand how it works, what it means, or why it happens. For example, a scientist might perform an analysis of data from an experiment, or a book reviewer might conduct an analysis of a novel's themes and characters. Some synonyms for analysis are examination, study, and evaluation. For instance, the teacher asked for a detailed examination of the poem's imagery, or her study of the market trends was highly detailed. You can also say, the team's evaluation of the project highlighted key areas for improvement. On the flip side, antonyms for analysis include synthesis, combination, and summary. For example, instead of a detailed breakdown, the presentation offered a summary of the findings, or the artist preferred a synthesis of different ideas rather than focusing on one. In everyday life, we use analysis in many contexts. Imagine your friend says, "I watched the soccer game last night, and my analysis is that the defense needs to work on their coordination." Or perhaps your coworker remarks, "After some analysis of the sales data, we realized our marketing strategy needs a shift." It's a versatile word that fits into conversations about work, school, or even casual discussions. Here are a couple of sentences using analysis. The scientist's analysis of the samples revealed surprising results. After a thorough analysis of her spending habits, she decided to create a stricter budget. Thank you for joining me today to explore the word analysis. We've covered its meaning, examples, synonyms like examination, study, and evaluation, and antonyms such as synthesis, combination, and summary. I hope this helps you feel more confident using this word in your own conversations and writing. Before we go, I'd love to encourage you to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join our learning community. Don't forget to create your own sentence using analysis and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring words and unlocking the power of language. Bye for now.